on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches it close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand.
Princess.
Hey!
I'll believe
Could that be?
it all.
Aether.
Sister,
From the abyss?
of your hand. Two birds on a wire. One says come on, and the other says I'm tired. The sky's overcast, and I'm sorry. One more or one less, nobody's worried.
There lived a crimson Oni and a blue Oni. They were the best of friends. The crimson Oni wanted to be friends with the humans, so the blue Oni played the role of the naughty kid. And then he left. After a long time, the crimson Oni was living happily with the humans. So just as the blue Oni had once done, the crimson Oni left him a letter.
Dear Al, I've made lots of human friends now, and I want to have a big party for everyone. I want all my friends to be there. That means you too, Al. If you don't want to meet me, you can just watch from a distance.
You speak of the young Adeptus of Guili Plains, still fulfilling his duty to this very day. Please, give these painkillers to him on my behalf. Oh, and be sure not to let Paimon eat them. Nothing of this world can withstand the power of this medicine.
On a wire. One tries to fly away.